Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Chrysler Pacifica and this is by Hotwheels and this is from the Mudstuds series. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the glittery green. I personally love the glittery colors. It looks really awesome, especially under the sun or under any good lighting. The wheels looks really nice. It is not huge like the Dodge Power Wagon. Let's see how it rolls. It rolls okay. It is not smooth as the Dodge Power Wagon. That thing is fast actually. This is not like that. It has that jitters. Still looks really nice. The rims looks really nice. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks again for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.